The Relay is a Bluetooth adapter that lets you connect your wireless headphones to any aux-enabled audio source, such as a plane's in-flight entertainment system or a treadmill at your local gym. Here are a few quick tips and tricks on how to use the Relay for best results. Tip 1. This adapter can pair with any and all Bluetooth audio devices, like your AirPods or Bose headphones. It's not a receiver though, so it can't connect to your phone or laptop or the like. Tip 2. The Relay supports aptX low latency and aptX adaptive, which lets you listen to high quality audio at a low latency. Just be aware that your headphones or earbuds must also support one of these aptX codecs in order to take advantage of this functionality. Tip 3. If you're connecting your AirPods to the Relay, you may want to turn your phone's Bluetooth off first for best results. This will help the AirPods easily reconnect to the Relay after you've initially paired them. Tip 4. Once paired, your headphones should reconnect to the Relay automatically. If not, try pressing this button on the adapter once. This manually initiates the reconnection process. Tip 5. Streaming to 2 pairs of headphones. After pairing both, turn off both pairs of headphones and the Relay. Turn them all back on again, and they should all smoothly reconnect. And there you have it. Simple steps for a seamless audio experience. We hope you enjoy your wireless experience with the Relay.